There are cautionary error messages for the device's long-term use. These messages alert the user and draw attention to maintenance issues. Compressor malfunction. The air conditioner continuously blows air at the same temperature. There may be a problem with cooling. Gas and compressor checks are required. LTE fault occurs when the evaporator coil inside the air conditioner gets too cold. This could be due to excessive dust, dirt on the evaporator coil, or the fan blowing air into the panel not working. Removing the front panel and cleaning the coil resolves this issue. HTC fault occurs when the condenser surface is hotter than it should be. This could be due to excessive dust, dirt on the condenser coil, or a faulty condenser fan. Opening the front cover and cleaning the coil resolves this issue. HTP fault. High temperature message. This message appears when the upper value set in menu -2 is exceeded. Door open error. Appears when the door switch is connected and the panel cover is open. The compressor and fan stop. Sensor errors. There are 3 NTC sensors that measure temperatures at different points inside the device. Sensor errors occur when there is a fault or breakage in these sensors.